Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Hudson. I'm going to read your assignment for you, The Splash Artist, which is on page 149. Remember, for this video, you can stop it and pause it at any time if you need me to repeat the questions that you have in front of you. Number 1, who named Jethro the Splash Artist? A. Jethro's mom named him the Splash Artist. B. Jethro's sisters named him the Splash Artist. Or C. Jethro's dad named him the Splash Artist. Number 2. Why is Jethro Otter called the Splash Artist instead of the Splash King? A. He is not good at making a big splash. B. He can make a big splash. C. He can target his splashes. Number 3. What did Jethro's dad do while Jethro was getting on his swim trunks? A. Dad pointed out the pool to mark deeds. B. Dad pointed out the house to mark deeds. Or C. Dad pointed out the garden and yard to mark deeds. Number 4. Why were the green peppers wilted? A. The green peppers were wilted because it had been hot. B. The green peppers were wilted because it had been cool. Or C. The green peppers were wilted because it was winter. Moving on to the next page, number 5. What advice did Jethro's dad give Mark Deeds? A. We had better jump in the pool. B. We had better go to the garden. C. We had better step back a bit. Number 6. Who else was in the pool? A. Jethro's mom was in the pool. B. Jethro's dad was in the pool. C. Jethro's sisters were in the pool. Number 7. What were Jethro's sisters doing? A. Jethro's sisters were sunbathing. B. Jethro's sisters were floating on pool rafts. Or C. Jethro's sisters were weeding the garden. Number 8. How do Jethro's sisters feel about Jethro's splashing? A. They love to get splashed by Jethro. B. They don't like to get splashed by Jethro. Or C. They are proud of Jethro's splashing. And moving on to number 9 on the next page. Which garden bed did Jethro hit? A. Jethro hit the bed with the corn. B. Jethro hit the bed with the green peppers. Or C. Jethro hit the bed with the lettuce. Number 10. What is the setting of the Splash Artist? A. The setting is Jethro's backyard. B. The setting is inside of Jethro's house. Or C. The setting is Jethro's bedroom. Remember, if you need to hear me repeat any of these questions, please go and rewind the recording so that you can hear it. Also, please make sure that you listen carefully to the story. If you need to go back and listen to the story again, please make sure to do so.